Marriage is about giving and taking, and forging and forsaking, kissing and loving and pushing and shoving, caring and sharing and screaming and swearing. About being together, whatever the weather.
The past 5 or so years we have spent together. We have experienced great triumphs with some mishaps along the way. These experiences have pushed us to become such a strong couple that can combat anything. There were many times you caught my eye before we got together, from you and your Toyota Caldina driving past Shanae and I walking with its blow-off valve. We did a big move to Masterton from Upper Hutt, and what I know is that wherever you are is home to me.
Hannah, I promise to make you happy. Seeing you happy is the most important thing to me. I promise to love you more than anything, even my collection of chainsaws. I promise to work hard and give us a life full of fun and happiness and adventure. Hannah Catelli, I choose you now and forever. Let's see what we can do together.
Mackenzie, when you came into our family, your conversation was, hell yeah, shit yeah. Gosh, you've grown since then, but you have been a part of our family from the start.
I truly look forward to seeing what the future brings for you and Mackenzie, and wish you the very best.
Breeze before the storming, freeze when winter's coming. Tease me, I'll come running, unstoppable. Rain before the flooding, rain before the flooding. Train will keep on running, unstoppable. Breeze before the storming, freeze when winter's coming. Tease me, I'll come running, unstoppable.
Mackenzie Kirk, today I choose you, and I will choose you every day, over and over. Without pause, without doubt, I will keep choosing you.